present here. It is my proud privilege that I can see you all getting united for the run for unity on this auspicious day, that is the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So at this moment, all the people who are assembling here, and each person of you is representing the unity of India. These few words I would like to request, participate you all gladly, heartily, and work for betterment of India to keep India united for all the future days. Thank you very much, and at the same time I declare this run for unity open, and you may proceed with the run. Thank you very much. Namaskar.